After having seen how to install a distribution like Ubuntu or Debian on our Android thanks to Termux, let's see how to install a desktop environment like kde-plasma. kde-plasma is one of the most famous and graphically more attractive environments, although it consumes more resources than a somewhat simpler environment. Do not worry that in future videos we will see how to install them to improve performance if we prefer. For this process, I recommend disabling the device screen to turn off after a certain time because it will take about 20 minutes and we do not want the screen to lock up in between. The first thing is to start Termux and log into our Ubuntu or Debian distribution with the command you see below. We update the package information. Install kde-plasma in the following packages. The process will take quite some time. When it asks us if we want to continue and install any package, we will type Y. In a couple of moments, it will ask us which keyboard layout we want. Simply enter the number associated with the keyboard layout you want: USA, UK, Spanish, etc. Next, I am going to increase the speed of the video so that the process does not take so long. In real time, it took about 20 minutes to be all installed. Although we see some message in red, we will not pay attention to it for the moment. We will let everything finish. After finishing the installation, we locate the package that will allow us to launch the kde-plasma-desktop. Finally, we launch the VNC server to connect remotely to the graphical environment. A password must be entered to log in securely. You can also set a password for view-only sessions. Note where it says localhost.local domain. What is we will use that information below. To connect via VNC, we are going to use the real VNC viewer application. I leave the link in the description. We click on the plus button to add a new connection and enter the information that we got previously with the VNC server command. To avoid graphical errors, it is important that we set the image quality to high, or else we will see the background with distorted colors. Enter the password that we have configured in the Vnc server and continue. We are now inside our Linux distribution with its own graphical environment. From here, we can use the distribution as if it were a computer. If we use a keyboard and mouse connected to our Android device, the experience will improve considerably and will look more like a real computer. Finally, if we want to exit and close all connections, from the notification window we can hit disconnect to exit the VNC connection. After that, we go to Termux and terminate the VNC server process so that it does not stay running in the background with the following command. And we leave with the command exit.